There's never been a movie made from the indie perspective.
You know, maybe Sunset Dreams will be your comeback movie.
I'm betting on it.
I haven't made my big movie break yet.
I really think you should audition for the lead role of Kim.
Okay, I'll consider it.
We decided to invest $1 million in your movie.
Awesome! No way! We're offering you the lead role of Kim.
How wonderful!
And action.
These are my friends Bill and Gloria.
Hi, Bill.
Hey, Rod.
Yeah, it's been a while, huh?
If you have any acting advice, I'd love to hear it. Of course. I'd love to help.
What can I do to ever repay you?
A lot.
Star bright, my light so bright, star bright, gonna party tonight.
Yesterday, it rained dead birds. 5,000 birds fell from the sky and were found dead in Beebe, Arkansas, Kentucky.
Yeah, I mean, don't you know that birds are the descendants of dinosaurs?
Look, the birds are flying away.
The birds attacked the set and killed everybody.
Maybe it's global warming.
The seas of the Earth are rising because the ice in the Arctic is melting.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Trees are cut down to make toilet paper.
But what if the animals try to attack us?
We can defend ourselves. We have guns. Next time, we're not taking any more shortcuts.
Fair enough.
If we all try to live a greener lifestyle, maybe the birds will leave us alone.